TWX-21 offers services that digitally transform the supply chain, linking the operations, roles, and users relevant to the client's business activities. We can digitalize the partnerships that arise in business processes. We enable visualization and improved efficiency for supply and demand-related information, as well as progress in transactions. We support supplier management and purchasing strategies in the source-to-contract domain. In the procure-to-pay domain, our services support purchasing operations for each type of item. In the source-to-contract domain, depending on the specific individuals for supplier information, can be a hotbed for fraud due to lax supplier selection and can present other issues as well. By centralizing the management of supplier information, we enable visualization of operational processes from supplier selection to contract conclusion. By sharing information such as supplier evaluations and details about contracts, clients can refine their sourcing. One issue in the procure-to-pay domain is the increased risk of delivery delays due to mistakes among partners and long lead times for purchase of directly used materials. Our supply chain collaboration service displays information shared with suppliers and improves efficiency. We help manage progress with peer partners in domains like design and supervising production. Also, when purchasing indirectly used materials, our e-sourcing mall service standardizes purchasing to enable catalog purchases and ensure compliance. By collecting data from supplier partnerships and using services that analyze and leverage these data, we optimize the supply chain. By adding value, we contribute to quick and flexible decision-making and continuous development. Collecting information on supplier partnerships enables us to evaluate and analyze transactions for each supplier when purchasing directly used materials. We used key performance indicators like purchase amounts and on-time delivery rates to educate suppliers and suggest improvements. Further, these aid in formulating purchasing strategies. When purchasing indirectly used materials, data from purchases and categorical analyses can also be used to help reduce overhead. Our supply chain optimization service reproduces the supply chain in a digital space using digital twin technology. With rapid simulations and analyses, clients can establish an optimal plan based on a holistic view of the supply chain. For example, to respond to fluctuations in demand, we can input demand forecasts and inventory volumes to formulate the steps necessary for each location in a timely manner. We can reduce excessive inventory levels at each location, which has previously been difficult to implement at the staff level. It's also possible to take business continuity plan steps, such as formulating plans for unpredictable circumstances, like natural disasters or pandemics, and conducting dry runs in scenarios where the supply chain has been cut. Through digitalization, evolution, and optimization of supply chains, we offer strong support for our clients as they work to enhance their businesses.